let's take a look at how the market update was today.
Second day running, the markets have seen good gains. Now the important question is whether these gains are sustainable or not. That's the Sensex and the Nifty charts for you. Nifty first 5907 is of course on the Nifty. The Sensex 19691. Just look at the recovery that came in over the last couple of hours of trade. Again, value buying, basket buying, whatever you want to call it, that is buying which is coming back, and of course takes the market with itself. Apart from that, if you look at the reasons why this market moved up, sectors that actually participated in this move, clearly real estate, not much in terms of weightage for the overall index, but still important change in the way markets are perceiving real estate space. Metals came up pretty sharply, up 2%, power, healthcare. So not many of these stocks, sectors rather, hold a prominent weightage in the Nifty and the Sensex. That explains why the gains were pretty limited, but still at least some concerns have been out of the way as far as most of these sectors are concerned. Apart from that, a couple of index movers, and most of these stocks, rather, if you look at them, there have been huge amount of brokerage upgrades that have come out, particularly on stocks like Reliance Infrastructure, Hindalco, even on HDFC, and about time there's some buying that emerges, and today was just that case. Buying came back in a pretty strong fashion. Just look at those gains, anywhere between 3.5%. Couple of unusual movers. Escomas Nationwide, of course, moving up on IPO plans for Reed and Taylor. Nitin Fire improving as far as the restructuring is concerned. Diwan Housing also came up, 11% gain. Mind you, housing finance has been at the receiving end of the market. Jindal Poly also came up about 10%. So pretty interesting mix as far as the small and the mid cap space is concerned, which actually came under huge selling pressure over the last 2 weeks or so. Apart from that, lot of brokerage upgrades coming in, primarily around the large caps, around those stocks which have been hit pretty bad. JSW Steel, Pantaloon, IRB Infra, Welspun Corp, and the impact was pretty visible. So trade is actually not missing any opportunity to pick up stocks and of course see gains on them. But again, is this rally sustainable? That's a big question.
Well, the usually seen angry Didi had a big prankster smile on her face today. Her dhoti-clad party colleague in Kolkata mayor was pushed into a swimming pool. Here are our politicians enjoying some pranks. We leave you with these visuals. Thanks for watching.